Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn the concept of comparison, like one and many. Now observe the given picture carefully. Look, many kids and one ice cream. Now look, many birds and one egg. Now let's have a little activity. Take the object with 1 in number and cross the object which are more than 1. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.